is copy the URL from the GitHub and git clone that into an appropriate folder that we can work from called cwsim. Then we're going to list the files that we got from that, and we can go to the CD into the Python folder, see what's there, and we can edit the master.scp file. I'm editing this with VS Code. You can use Vim, you can use Emacs, but I'll never speak to you again. I'm just kidding, I don't really care. You can edit with whatever text editor you like. For me, I got these file names, or these call sign names, from the Oregon Soda Chaser Roll of Honor from 2023 for the CW mode. Just loaded that, copied and pasted, and if it's a long list, you could do something fancy with Python and clean it up, or take it into Excel or OpenOffice. I literally just edited in the text editor and deleted the extra columns. VS Code has a nice multi-cursor editing mode, so that helped. Save that in your master.scp file and fire up CW Simulator, and you can see that we've got everything kind of set up already. I stored my username, or my call sign, and we can have the different modes for conditions and op parameters and everything like that, and you're ready to go.